Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy 420. So, we saw Tesla bounce back a little bit as people digest the news. I mean, yesterday the market was overall not very good, but I think the news about people abusing autopilot, whatever it ends up that they were doing, but it had nothing to do with autopilot, nothing to do with Tesla, the company. Yet the stock, I think, took a pretty good hit because of that and the protester deal. Um, but one of the sayings one of my professors used to say, and I loved it, whenever somebody calls something stupid, not a person, but something, he always would say, you know what, things are not stupid, people are. And he's absolutely right. People are stupid. If you cut yourself with a knife, doesn't make the knife stupid or smart. It's just the idiot that's using it. So anyhow, definitely did not expect that. So anyhow, we are into a few plays. So I grabbed some apples expiring this week, some 137 calls. That is a play on their event today. So far we're down on that, and I believe Apple had popped up and now it's down, and we'll see how that one rolls. That definitely could be an example of how to turn $210 into zero. That's my 200 to zero challenge I'm doing, and hopefully will not be successful on that. SPY put credit spreads. I think those are pretty golden to expire worthless. And then we have our myriad of put credit spreads. And then I've also played these couple. These are very high risk, very high reward. Expect to lose it all. I averaged down yesterday a little bit on these, so they're $11 a pop. If Tesla happens to get some juice to the upside, I could possibly make some money. And then the 800, 805 is kind of same thing. I mean, we still do have all of today and then 3 more trading days. So I'm still looking for some upside pre-earnings. That news definitely stopped or hurt momentum quite a bit. So otherwise, I think these plays might have been a little bit better. And then I have this 810 call. So this 810 call that I bought is actually free if I take into account the other plays I made around it. So when this thing spiked up a few days ago, where were we at? No, does it not show all? Because it was, let me see, 19... I don't know. Yeah, I was going to say it was like 12, 12, 13, 14, $1,600 the day after I bought it. And then I had sold the call above it for the 850, and I believe I collected about $900 on that, and then bought it back for 175. So that was a total gain of $700. And then so now I'm into this as a naked position. So overall, I'll consider it up on the play, and then I have this. So this is this has turned into another very high risk, high reward call. But we got rid of our initial cost by selling the call and then buying it back above it. So if we happen to have some serious gaps up, which I do expect, we'll see if I'm right or wrong. I don't expect it like I'm banking on it or anything, but this is how I'm playing it, and I'm positioning myself in case that happens. And if I'm wrong, then we'll lose the rest of that value, which is a couple $100, and we'll lose on all our call debit spreads, which, all in all, maybe 500, $400 or $500 or something like that, but not a big deal because we did make $400 or $500 on that call that we traded while it was up. So other than that, I think that's about it for today. Yesterday we ended up down, I think it was like 9,000 or something like that by the end of the day. Yeah, we started off like down 12 and then down 18, and then things kind of bounced back a little bit. So, all right, guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and let's make a lot of money.